Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I want to show you guys how to make one of my favorite desserts at Thanksgiving time, and that is a pumpkin roll. So to start off with this, you want to just find something circular. I like using little lids from different containers. And I'm just going to take this lid, put it in the middle of my paper, and I just want to trace right around this. So I'm going to keep my marker straight up and down, and I'm going to trace right around this. I'm going to give it one more time around, just so I get a nice dark line. Now, once you're done tracing your shape, you want to begin with the eyes. So, I'm going to start the eyes right down here. I'm going to keep them a little bit lower on the roll. So, I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to make a nice circle right here. And then I'm going to leave a little bit of space, and I'm going to make another circle right here. We're going to make this kind of like a cute pumpkin roll. Then I'm just going to make a big circle at the top of each of these, and then I'm just going to make a smaller one down here. And then real quick, you can just kind of take your marker, pencil, whatever it is you're using, and just color it in. You can always do this when you use your markers, color pencils, whatever, but I just like to color it in right now just so we get a nice dark line. And then just make sure you do that to the other side. And just fill it in. Be careful to stay in the line. And I always like to make my little circles inside a little bit bigger because when you color it in, they always end up looking smaller than they really are. Now, right in between here, we want to make a little mouth. So I'm just going to make a little line go straight across. I put that right between the eyes. And then I'm just going to make a big happy face right there. And then I'm just going to draw a little curved line for a tongue. And then you can always add extra things like eyebrows, whatever, but I'm just going to keep it simple like this. Now, inside of here, this is the tricky part. We want to make the little kind of spiral shape of the pumpkin roll because there's like the little like cream cheese filling inside. So to start this, I'm actually going to start right on the side up here, and this is a great thing to do in a pencil. I'm going to use a marker, but you're going to start here and you're just going to make a nice curve, and we're going to go right to about this eye. So I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to draw a nice kind of curve. It does not need to be perfect, and I'm going to go right to this eye here. Now, I'm going to jump over the eye, and then starting here, I'm just going to draw another little curve, and I'm going to curl this right up to here. So that's going to be like where our little kind of swirl is. Now, to keep this real simple, instead of starting here to finish it off, I'm going to start right here. So, I'm going to just kind of curve this around, and I'm going to curve it right back to the eye. Then I'm going to jump over it and bring it right here to the mouth. Then I'm going to jump over the mouth and go right here to the eye. And then I'm going to jump over the eye, and I'm just going to kind of curl this around, and I'm going to bring it right down to about here. Now that we have our swirl in, we want to add the little like three-dimensional part of our pumpkin roll. So I'm going to start right up here, and I'm just going to make a little line that just kind of goes up at a diagonal. And then right down here, I'm going to do the same thing, just kind of make it go out. Then starting right here, I'm just going to kind of curl this around, and I'm going to bring it right down to here. Now, lots of times on the little pumpkin rolls, they're going to have like powdered sugar or something. So I'm just going to make some circles kind of all over the top of here, different sizes. And I'm going to kind of stop them when I get about to like the halfway point or a little bit farther. Just kind of put some up here. And there you go. There is your drawing of a little cute pumpkin roll. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.